I'm Varun.
I'm just Paddy B, keeping you informed.
Hi, welcome to the fish keeping video series. In today's video, we're going to talk about 10 things to help you with your fish keeping hobby. Number 1. Recommended tank size. When starting off with fish keeping, it's good to keep the size of the tank small enough to where you can handle any problems that arise. Recommended size is 90 liters or 20 US gallons. Remember, the bigger the tank, the less impact a mistake will have on your fish. Number 2. Every fish keeper, when they first start the aquarium, want to add their favorite fish. Don't always add fish straight away. Give your tank a few days to get cycled first. Number 3. Water in your new tank needs time to stabilize. Gases are dissolved in the water, as well as minerals, heavy metals, and chemicals, all added by local water treatment facilities. Number 4. Typically, aquarium water needs 3 to 6 weeks to go through the initial nitrogen cycle, so fish should be added only a few per week during this time. Number 5. Overstocking. The net gallons or liters of water should be the amount of water actually placed in the aquarium after the gravel and decorations are in it. You'll want to use 80% ratio of tank volume to actual water in the aquarium. A good example is if you have a 10 gallon or 45 liter tank, only 8 gallons or 36 liters will be left over after decorated gravel or decorations in general are added. Use the 1 inch 2.5 centimeters per gallon or 4.5 liters of water rule. 8 inches or 20 centimeters is the maximum number of fish to be safely kept in a 10-gallon aquarium. Number 6. When you go down to your local fish shop and you decide to get some fish, look out for incompatible fish. The best advice: select peaceful fish that thrive in similar water conditions. Overfeeding fish. The number one mistake is overfeeding fish. Feed your fish no more than they consume in 5 minutes. During tank startup period, feed fish no more than once a day during the initial nitrogen cycle. After the cycle and water conditions have stabilized, you can safely feed your fish up to twice a day. Number 7. The flow of water through a filter is what makes the water safe for your fish. An aquarium filter should pass all water in a tank through it at least 3 times per hour. You can't overfilter, but you definitely can underfilter, and the results can be harmful to your fish. Number 8. When testing your water, look out for the pH level, hardiness, ammonia levels, nitrate and nitrites. Number 9. When your tank is first set up, allow it to run for a few days before adding fish. Once your tank is well established, test the water monthly to find unseen problems they may be brewing. Number 10. Normally a partial water change is made weekly in a new aquarium, then once a month, once the biological filter has become established or your nitrogen cycle has completed. Removing and replacing about 20% of the water is usually sufficient. Today we've talked about 10 things that every fish hobbyist needs to know. Next week, let's talk a little bit about fish species. Some of my favorites, some I think you might like as well.